Mute. Yo. No, KJ, we're not ready for that yet now. Well, I know, man, if we start the video right first now, man. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy TyrekeReacts, aka The Reaction. Back in with another reaction for you guys. Right now, we're here with a song called Fall in Love by Tefflon, official music video. What you know about that? We're representing right now on the second channel, you understand? This is the reaction channel, you understand me? Because if you all, you see, if you know day ones are not really support thing, I know what go on, dog. This new tune, but over to the reaction them there as of now. So subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 10k, so you can cut 10k at the pace. You understand me? The last year I got a bag of community guideline strikes and thing. Run tune, go on.
Like in your feelings,
What are the past? Him did do the song. Yes, of course I am. But he come out with that bad bumbo clean song. I said, "No man, that young can sing so." What a bad guy with gun. I don't remember his song name. Some kind of. I don't remember. He probably don't know. Let me see if it's got there. Tefflon. I don't direct a song from him already. I knew that is a shocking name of the day. But right one song, man. Bad piece of raw song too, no dog. Go on, run tune.
Well, you know all you got to say is brother, no?
Yeah.
Alright then.
This girl say she see me post and start like me.
We like those. But listen to the Trinidad accent. I said a car for you now. But dog. Alright. What this girl said?
Rock back, relax, and she body working. Because that's what she was joking. Let me see her image.
We can't even see the text good. The 40 pound. I want to drink Henry. Them last time we live last year. 40 NSC all night long. We're not talking about that. Go on.
Don't know me like Vice, so me start grinning. One man I use Snapchat, so. One time she send the pussy on WhatsApp. When me say, rock out for the hand. Beat it like a jump like African.
Rock out for the hand. Beat it like a jump for the African. What like that? Them actions that we are going right yesterday though. A bad girl like them we like in our life. You understand? Go on.
Just to decide and ride on the cocky like a wife.
Alright then. Alright then, but me say something about shift to the side. You see that's something we should have on. Them something we should have on. We can't really talk too technical because of YouTube. You understand me? But these things that she has on, they normally has a little hole, you know? Yeah. Now they have the built-in holes, right? Yes. Yes. Right up under that little spot, right? Break out, Philly then.
Only just to decide.
Alright.
And pride panic cocky like a. So she fall in love with a gunman.
So she fall in love with a gunman, but you say no, say a real gunman is a real general. You see me, I say I have on the bad shoes them, but then I have on no socks. I saw no say you're a general. You hear me? Yeah. Back off with it, then. Well, like a little chorus, I say, we're not life. I'm lying, I'm dying. Go on.
You know she love the action. Me are the one man. Me are the real man. Beat up your pussy like it was a steel pan. So she fall in love with it.
You want your beating arguments. You just have to beat like beat up with drum like African tour or something like that. I know you come and talk about a beat the pum pum like steel pan. Say the pum pum like my introduction. Run tune tag, run that, hear that, hear that. Yes, I'm just realizing that my things, my music, like my background music, actually sound like. What should I get that from? Let me hear it somewhere already. Go on!
Girl, cock up on the bell, let me show your eyes that you like, yeah. The girls outside.
The pop at the end. No! No! This is just wrong. Which part I press them the dog? Which part I press them there?
Cause I know me make you pussy wet, she come about 9 times. Tell her what I wish I dripping so.
One cry for real the people, like, look at me behind them, dog. Focus on face. One cry for real, dog. But she make her feet a while ago. Don't know what chop going in. The shop boss don't play people, dog. You know ramping up. We don't play. See, I tell you, I can't find a clip here. How many help for?
Tell her what I wish I dripping sweat, now we start make love. About 9 times. Dripping sweat, now we start make love. Big on the ram, me no need no gloves, girl, you must be crazy.
You know, you have to be careful when you're doing life with these females, especially when them shape and you know, them built skinny like she, when them built the right way like she. You see, if I go in the raw, be careful, you know. I'm not talking about no sickness, you know. I talk about what will come after you go in there and babyness me I talk about. This is babyness, me right? Why? But it's when them build like that and them really make you pop.
Cause it was worth it, cause she not move lazy. Fall in love
with a good man.
She like her, you know she love the action. Me are the one man.
I like her, you see me? She everything else build up for she not having the most enormous boobs. You understand me? Yeah, she built it right. Because if she'd have big boobs, you know, trust me, she wouldn't know how to act. If she'd have a whole heap of breasts, she wouldn't know how to act. So she built the right way.
Me are the real man, beat up your pussy like it was a steel pan. So she fall in love with the trigger, yeah.
Yeah man, I can't live with that. I can't live with that face there. And how she dress, how she carry herself. You understand me? And she with the streets too. Yeah, I can't live with that. I can't live with that. You see me? I can't live with that. You're bad, you know? You're bad! You're bad. You can't stop looking at me, I know, like. We make the connection, yes, but I don't know, so Tefflon, I fall in love with her, not me. I know me. So stop looking at me then, no? Why are you looking at me? Chill! Like she just staring into my eyes like. Oh gosh, I like your lips them still, you know? Big boy, you're Go on!
Girl, cock up on the bed, let me show your eyes that you like, yeah. Must send a Uber for pick she up. As she reach, she said she want back.
Breast! What? No! Breast there, I know, but... Girl, this thing. Cereal cheap and a bad bee. Like she would just left. Niggas ain't shit. If you go cheap on a girl, we just left with she. Niggas ain't shit.
It up, me say me have a girl, she say she know. Mark she out, she say who? And oh, and me say, what make you say that?
You see fair draws, but she have on too. But if you go cheap with the woman, we just left with she. Niggas ain't shit. Niggas ain't shit. But she have breast though. We see how bad she be now because we like what's going on with this video. Oh, sorry, video go long today. Go on.
She said that this one of my brother. Me say show me back, she phone on lunch, she show me screenshots. Let me say shocks, but fuck that.
But this though, you just like, you know, yeah. You get an extra 3 points for that scene the way you just do it. You get an extra 3 points for that scene there. You overs? Yeah man. Get an extra 3 points for that scene there, you hear me? That extra 3 points. Run back in that tune now. Go on.
Only just to decide. And pride money got in a
Don't kiss her no? Don't kiss her. Nope. Nope. Could you go choose still and see what going with that be here? Come on, say she go. Mute. Wait, you done? Looking at my eyes, people. Yo. Oh my gosh, bro. Reaction boss. Focus. Signing out. Peace.